Hi everybody, on this episode I visit Ginza, which is the most elegant district in Tokyo, Japan. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and open notifications to be informed about new travel videos from all around the world. The Ginza is Tokyo's most famous upmarket shopping, dining and entertainment district, featuring numerous department stores, boutiques, art galleries, restaurants, nightclubs, and cafes. 1 square meter of land in the district's center is worth over 10 million yen, making it one of the most expensive real estate in Japan. It is where you can find the infamous $10 cups of coffee and where virtually every leading brand name in fashion and cosmetics has a presence. Ginza is a district of Chuo, Tokyo, located south of Yaesu and Kyobashi, west of Tsukiji, east of Yurokocho and Uchuseiwacho, and north of Shimbashi. It is considered to be one of the most expensive, elegant and luxurious city districts in the world. Ginza was a part of old Kyobashi ward of Tokyo City, which together with Nihonbashi and Kanda formed the core of Shitamachi, the original downtown center of Edo. Taking the train Ginza is usually the best option because there are many possible routes. Your final station will be Ginza Station. Ginza Station is only served by Tokyo Metro trains, so you will have to make a transfer if you use JR trains. One way to select the best route is to find the station below that is closest to you, navigate to it, then follow the suggested route to Ginza. Few would believe that Tokyo's current capital is high fashion was a swamp. Ginza owes its position today in equal parts to the key shapers of modern Japanese history, Tokugawa Ieyasu and the Meiji Restoration. Shortly after Ieyasu moved to Edo to set up his legendary shogunate, he established a new silver coin mint in what was formerly just marshland, with Ginza being the organization's name. Even after the group moved, the name remained because of the great prosperity it had brought to the area. Following the fire of 1872 that devastated so much of the region, the Meiji government decided to rebuild Ginza upon truly modern lines, using brick instead of wood and constructing wide European-style boulevard. These architectural changes, along with social-commercial ones such as changing shop layouts, meant that Ginza became the first truly westernized place in Tokyo. Ginza High Street is called Chuodori Central Avenue, which is approximately 1 kilometer long lineup with massive department stores and high-brand boutiques. It's Tokyo's most posh and sophisticated shopping district. Uniqlo is a popular Japanese fashion retailer, and Uniqlo's biggest flagship shop as Uniqlo Ginza is located in Ginza High Street. Kabuki is one of the most recognizable Japanese traditions. Kabukiza is a complex building to represent Kabuki to the world. It consists Kabuki Theater, gallery, shops, and restaurants. Ginza 6 is shopping complex in Ginza, including long-established department stores and luxurious international brand stores. Ginza 6 has been a new iconic shopping spot in Ginza, taking the place of Matsuzakaya department store, which closed after 88 years, since it was founded in the center of the town 2017. There are various cutting-edge shops and restaurants in the sophisticated unique building in addition to the Ginza 6 garden on the rooftop, Noh Theater, and tourist service center. Ginza 6 is an ideal place to go to get the latest luxury trends in Tokyo. The current Imperial Palace is located on the former site of Edo Castle, a large park area surrounded by moats and massive stone walls in the center of Tokyo. Hamarikyu Garden was originally built as a feudal lord's Tokyo residence and duck hunting grounds during the Edo period, and now visitors can enjoy it as a park with a great landscape. Tsukiji Fish Market is a major tourist attraction for both domestic and overseas visitors in Tokyo, which contains retail markets, restaurants, and associated restaurant supply stores. The best way to experience the fascinating food culture in Tsukiji area is to join a food tour led by a local expert guide. Surrounded by a lush green forest right in the heart of Tokyo, Meiji Jingu Shrine is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, who led Japan to become a modernized nation. The densely forested grounds of Meiji Jingu Shrine occupy a large swath of land bisecting Shinjuku and Shibuya. The Tokyo Tower is a communications and observation tower in the Shiba-koen district of Minato, Tokyo, Japan, built in 1958. At 332.9 meters, it is the second tallest structure in Japan. Shibuya is one of the 23 city wards of Tokyo, but often refers to just the popular shopping and entertainment area found around Shibuya Station. Team Lab Planets is a digital museum where you walk through the water, and a garden where you become one with the flowers, which is located in Toyosu area. Ginza is home to two historic department stores, Mitsukoshi, founded in 1673, and Matsuya, founded in 1869. They remain today and are great places to visit if you are seeking an quintessential Japanese shopping experience. Mujirushi Roin, or Muji, as it's known to the outside world, is famous for its monochromatic simplistic designs and cheap yet high-quality home goods. Ginza Hakuhinkan Toy Park is a toy emporium, has an impressive inventory of some hundreds of thousands of toys. Maronier Gate Ginza is trendy commercial complex, houses a multitude of Japanese and international fashion and home brands. If you are looking to splash out of some true luxury shopping, put aside an afternoon to visit Ginza 6, a state-of-the-art shopping mall opened in 2017. There are numerous options for gourmet food in Ginza, which has long been a symbol of luxury dining. Perhaps you will try Ginza sushi made by masters of Idomae style. Some Michelin-starred sushi restaurants are small, with counter seats only, and require reservations. Ginza ramen chains from the Michelin-starred Ginza Hachiko to more affordable ramen stands serving traditional chuka ramen for 300 yen a bowl. For Western cuisine, you could enjoy the crackling wood fire oven, the Michelin-starred Makiaki Ginza Onodera, which prepares dishes using French techniques. You will also find shops selling traditional Japanese wagashi sweets. There are various accommodation types as different budget in Ginza. The Park Hotel Tokyo is a luxury hotel right by Shidomo subway station and an easy walk from all the main sites in Ginza. The Square Hotel Ginza is a super stylish and even has a Japanese-style communal onsen bath. Tokyo Ginza by Hotel has a male and female capsule dorms, so you will have tons of privacy. Also, there are Airbnb options to accommodate in Ginza. Most shops in Ginza district are open every day of the week. A visit is most pleasant on the weekend afternoons when the central Chuodori street is closed to automobile traffic and become a large pedestrian zone. The road closure takes place from noon to 6 p.m. until 5 from October through March. Ginza is the most famous shopping and entertainment district in Tokyo. And as you explore its buzzing streets, you will see why Ginza is a favorite for visitors to Tokyo. Among the top tourist attractions in Ginza, you can almost see the money flow. It's one of the worth visiting locations in Tokyo City to explore the most exclusive streets of the city. If you like my Ginza Tokyo Japan video, I would like to see your likes, comments and subscription to my channel for the new travel videos from all around the world. See you!